That's a good blue.
Yeah.
What do you eat?
Thank you.
Okay.
A live shad.
Huh.
Live shad drifting beside the boat. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, that's a good one.
That is cool. Thank you for helping me.
Yep.
All right. Let's get him on back. Come on, boy.
I never did an intro today, but fishing a bigger creek today. Just pull it off on the bank right here. Go throw some baits out, see if we can catch some, and then we'll move further down. Fish on. That's another good one. Ooh. Yeah, there's bubbles out in the distance. It's coming straight to me. Channel. Another nice channel. Ah, the drag was too loose. I pulled. Yeah. Let's get this channel in. Live, I think. That's why I stopped at this spot. I knew this spot would produce. Yeah. It's a good channel. It's second or third good channel I've caught off this spot. Not today, but just in general. Alright. Let's get him back. Bait catcher's getting hit. Let's see. Oh. Alright, what happened there was, well, they're gar. There's a lot of gar in the area. When I'm getting bites like that where it just feels like they're tapping it, I should just let them eat it. But I'm always worried that it may be a channel or something small. But anyway, let's get back to it. Alright, I think the bobber's under. Yeah, it is. No, is it? No, never mind. I'm just blind. Alright, scratch that. I think it is under. I set it back down. I think he came back for it. Good fish. Bass. Yeah. That's a nice one.
Oh, put two rods in this creek.
That's a nice bass.
That is a nice bass.
Let's get him back.
Here I am.
Oh, you could have told me the rod to the right. Oh, double. Fish on. What is that? What is that? Why did he jump?
He did jump. I saw it.
My bobber's under. Drum. Okay. Wait, a drum jumped?
Yeah, sometimes you caught one I saw jump.
Could you be so kind as to borrow this for a second? Okay. All right. Bobber's under. Bobber's under. Bobber's under. Fish on. Fish on. Fish on. Hang on. Is that a white bass? Stud white bass. I had to confirm it wasn't a little striper. All right. That's the biggest white bass I've caught in a while. Look at these. Doubles. Doubles for days. Drum back. White bass back. See you later, buddies. Whew. I'm slack. I'm slack. Oh, oh. Up. Hold hook. That was a big one.
Like spinner baits, rattle traps. Catch the fish that are very active and then come back.